I'm Victoria. I'm here on a lovely summer day, having a nice conversation. I'm just reminded that it's Grandparents' Day. I had
World
no
Grandparents Day.
World Grandparents Day. And
Yes.
I had no clue.
Pope Francis created it during COVID because so many people were isolated.
So many people lost their grandparents too during that time.
You're absolutely right.
Yeah.
You were absolutely right.
Yeah. And today I'm remembering mine, a grandmother that I was so close to and I still miss. And she was a midwife. And I think I'm a nurse partly because of her, I have to say. So happy Grandparents' Day to everyone watching.
Can you say the comment you made to me about sort of the intergenerational transition? What did she impart to the next generation?
Oh yes, so she imparted, community because she helped a lot of people.
I love it.
We had a lot of orphans in the area during the AIDS epidemic. She was a midwife, and her clinic and her maternity ward was open to so many. Even those who had nothing or who couldn't pay, she welcomed them. She cooked for them. She cared for them. She healed them, and sent them home with their babies. So she was that community, that person, the grandma to everybody, basically.
Oh my God.
And even today, when you go there and you say Cecilia's granddaughter, they were like, oh, here's a banana, here's a chicken. You don't need to pay the fare. Oh, you're Cecilia's granddaughter. I'm still riding on her shoulders. I'm really still ripping from what she did.
That is
So it's so
a tribute
beautiful.
that Pope Francis might want to hear because he created this worldwide
I'm gonna cry.
celebration, World Grandparents' Day. Victoria, a big heart to you. And your grandmother's name again is?
Cecilia.
Cecilia. God bless the both of you. Thank you. Grandmother to the neighborhood?
Grandmother to the neighborhood, to everybody without a grandmother. She was a grandmother to all.
Amen.
Amen.